Alright y'all, we back, man, with another video. We got the Strata X Kaido Knights Karmi. Pagani, bro. What? Ready. This is crazy. I don't even know what type of body kit this got on it, but this shit hard. Bro, what? This thing is crazy in person. Thing is clean, look brand new. Fighter jet. Damn, bro. Yeah. Things to it. Like a sheepy race, but don't tell me. Damn, brother. Bro, it's 5 right here though. Got the carbon hood too. I seen this earlier today. GTR. Oh, there's Arts GTR again. GTRs everywhere, bro. What the? Bus setup on this shit.
Once again, we have food trucks, we also have exotics, and a raffle going on. Thank you for coming.
It's crazy. Oh yeah. M5 right here. GTR, man. This is like the 5th or 6th GTR. This is crazy. It's cold. Show me what you working with. Like a 458, 720, NRA. That Mustang looks crazy. That's not bad. Another Huracan right here, man. I ain't get to show this one off yet. And that's sexy. Another R8. I think I've seen this one earlier too. RX-7 right here. C3 right here.
Gang signs.
A work of art, bro. Crazy. Shit looks unreal, bro. All the carbon exposed. Now that's baller right there. That shit's like iced out Rolls Royce. And the fastest GTR on the planet. Hard. The Road GTRs. Like I said, there's like 6 or 7 of them here. More, probably like 10 of them now. This one's fire and it's purple. Oh my God. I'm in GTR heaven, brother. Red Advance, that's different for sure, especially with that color, but it's a GTR, you can do anything. It's low as hell. How the hell does he even drive? Big fast as hell. Oh my God. The color shift on it. It's Huarya again. Check this out, bro. Iced out Rolls Royce is crazy. I ain't never really seen one with all red interior on it. ZL1 M2. Oh shit, I got a McLaren right there. And right here is kind of tough though. best package.
Almost got blacked out when they had butterfly doors too.
This shit wet. This shit is wild. Damn, brother. Back to back one. Which one y'all taking, the blue or the red? Yeah. This is one of my favorite ones. Nissan, I feel like makes the best shit. This shit is too fire.
I love it.
On the reds. Bro, the steering wheel, bro. It's like a full car. The drag pack. Oh yeah, people say it look like a Roblox car. It's too blocky. On HREs. Second 12C in purple. Sounds beautiful. Oh my God. You got B-Lock. There's Super on the tire. Gas turbo. Hold on. I'm scared though. Wow.
Oh, you taking it off? I'm about to cover him. I'm like, you wanted to.
Pagani's leaving, y'all. Got the straight. It's so clean, bro. Yeah, it's quiet. It probably got the valves closed or something. I don't know. I can't hear a damn thing. Old school Rolls Royce. Baller. Back-to-back lambs, though. Two blues is fire. But yeah. This color is crazy. This is my brody's new whip, man. Brand new tags, just got the beat from the Tennessee 43.
German engineering. Slice. Nice steak, don't it? We all gotta be stunting with different shit. You better get a 63. Your little Joe said. He said it's the AMG.
That carbon in there, brother.
It's not the 43, but it's the
Red seats. Yeah, that shit. He said he gonna take me in a ride for it later, man. Hey, stay tuned for that video. But that sunsets are crazy. Art and Bill. They both. I think they about to go race.
yeah, probably.
Why I look like they about to go race each other right now. Oh my god.
That just has a nice steak.
Just give it up.
Never do.
This 720 getting some work done to it. But look at the wheels on it though. Oh my god. This shit looks so good. Let's try one more time. Ain't nobody around. think that's gonna do it for this video. Everybody pretty much done headed out. There is another meet tonight, so we might roll out to that, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that in this video or make a whole nother one. But I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace. All right, man. Yeah, we wrapping it up right here, man. Appreciate y'all.